Playboy, 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 playboy.
It's Ebony and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey or hey, welcome. And of course, if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. So today I wanted to do a little makeup toot for y'all. And at first I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but as time went along, I decided to make it a full-on drugstore look because y'all know your girl loves the affordable products, okay? I was bad and I kind of dabbled in one higher price thing, but that was literally only one thing. So everything else on my face is drugstore, meaning you can find it at like Walmart or Target or CVS or Walgreens, and I'm probably forgetting another store, but that's fine. And then even if you can't find it in store, you'll be able to find it online for more than likely less than $20, because that's just how your girl is feeling today. I'm feeling real budget friendly, all right? So if you want to see how I got this really cute and affordable beat, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so starting off, I used this Kiss Top Brow Pomade in Ebony for my brows today, and I didn't do them on camera just because I didn't want this video to be super long. And now I'm just going to prime and prep my eyes for eyeshadow with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Now I'm taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from Beige Cosmetics, and I'm taking this orangey kind of shade on a Morphe Y11 brush, and I'm stamping it on like how I normally do, but the color just wasn't showing up, so I decided to, you know, blend it in circular motions onto my eye, and it still wasn't showing up the way I wanted it to. But you guys do know that I always start out with my middle shade first, and then I go into my lightest and darkest shades. Now I'm taking this very used yellow on a Morphe brush just to blend out the top of that orange. And I'm not sure what was going on today. It might have been my brushes, or I don't know, but these colors just weren't showing up the way they usually do for me. So now you guys just see me going back and forth between those two shades, trying to get the color that I want. And even when I was done with these two colors, it still wasn't the exact color payoff that I wanted, but I just decided to move on anyway. So I'm going into this red shade out of the same palette and packing it onto my lid. So now I'm just going to be drawing on some wings with this Beige Cosmetics black liquid eyeliner, and I tried to do it on camera, but I was struggling, so this is literally all I could get on camera today. For foundation, I was going to use this Maybelline Super Stay because I've heard so many good things about it, but it was like crazy light. So I just decided to use my NYX Total Control drops in the color Cappuccino. Just going in and blending that out with my E.L.F. Ultimate Blending Brush. And I just want to say, I'm noticing while I'm looking at this footage that my camera was acting a little funny, like the quality is off. It looks a little fuzzy, like there's a cast on the camera, so I apologize for that. So now we're just going to be using our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I just want to say, if you notice a little bit of lace sticking up, it was 6 o'clock in the morning, girl. I was not going to be laying down my whole wig at 6 o'clock in the morning. Now for contouring, y'all already know I'm using my NYX concealer palette, and if you've been watching my like recent makeup videos, y'all know I was really scraping my last one, so I went out and bought a new one. I re-upped, and we're just gonna be blending that out with an E.L.F. blending brush. Now to lighten everything up a little bit more, I'm going back in with another LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is in the shade Medium Beige. Same old, y'all know I have to set my contour with my Black Radiance contour palette, but lately I've been liking to use a more fluffier brush for this instead of my regular detailed one. And then after that, I'm just going to set all my highlighted areas with my Airspun translucent face powder. Now I'm just taking this Covergirl face powder in medium deep, and I'm just going to use that as a little bit of a bronzer. And y'all know I usually use my Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer, and some of you guys told me I could find it on Amazon, but they didn't have my shade. I was so mad. So now for blush, I'm using this E.L.F. blush palette in the shade Dark with a Real Techniques blush brush. Jumping back to the eyes for a minute, I'm going into my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to be putting that little milk chocolate shade on my lower lash line. For highlight, I'm going to be using a new one. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and it is in the shade Molten Topaz. And I see my girl Aaliyah J use it all the time, so y'all know I had to go out and buy it for myself. Now I'm going to be outlining my lips with that same contour shade from earlier, because I literally can't find any of my lip liners or like brown liquid lipsticks. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I think it's a conspiracy against me, like for real. So after that, I'm going to be going into my ABH lip palette just to give me that nude color that I want. To the end of this video right here. Real quick, I just want to apologize, want to say I'm sorry for all the sporadic uploads lately. I've just been kind of all over the place, but your girl has an official uploading schedule now, so I will be posting videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and there may be like random videos throughout the week, but those are going to be the definite days that you guys can expect videos from me. So before you go, don't forget to go ahead and click the little notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a video. And as far as this video right here, of course, I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and if you did, don't forget to go ahead and leave me a like and a comment, and then go ahead and share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!